up, boss? Morning. So this is where I usually go, and these guys took care of my my bearings for my head steering. So we're going to talk to Kuya about this part. Good morning, Kuya.
Good morning, sir.
I want to change this bar, 22 millimeter diameter.
Length, same length.
Same length for.
What material?
And then also, this is new, but these screws are very tight and they're already breaking.
But this is 12 mm. You
Well,
have
yeah.
22 mm diameter.
22
Like
mm.
this?
Yes, sir.
But this both sides same. Only diameter.
Yes, sir.
We need this one. Balance?
You can do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Same thread.
Yeah. Can you
But,
change this one? Can you change? These are low quality and already broken.
Okay,
I think maybe here is Loctite. You know it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
But maybe change the Allen bolt.
Yeah, that's good. This is
no.
Torx?
I think Allen bolt.
Allen or Torx is okay. I think this problem is just low quality and maybe Loctite.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
put Loctite.
No need Loctite. Okay, sir. Maybe
So-
after lunch, sir.
Huh?
After lunch.
After lunch?
Okay.
More or less, magkano?
500.
Huh?
500.
500?
Okay.
Sweet. That's how easy it is here, man. These guys do very good machine work, and love it when I come here. Thank you. All right, we just got back from the machine shop, and there's the 22 millimeter bar. Freaking solid. I think it's steel. I don't think it's aluminum. Alright, see how that works. Alright, I'm going to do a little video here with my helmet cam and just show the installation of the nav bar. So basically, you remove the speedometer. There's 3 C-clips that hold it here, and of course the electrical plug, and then the speedometer slides out, and then this bracket goes in behind the speedometer, and it gets sandwiched on these 2 posts. And then there's a 3rd post down here. It takes a C-clip, and then there's some brackets here that come up, and they affix here. I don't have them tightened yet, but one on each side, kind of loose right now. And then we'll see how tight this thing gets. But there's the 22 millimeter bar from the machine shop. So we'll get this thing together and see how stiff it is. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like installed. Windshield's back on. And that's the nav bar. Alright, step 1 accomplished. Now we can start working towards putting the huge rock on it.